Sir, please, we are we are make a lot of mistake here in our conversation. What type of mistake in our conversation do majorly, or someone is stuck in our conversation? And please suggest everyone how to solve, how to find out our solvent, how to recover our problem.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Firstly, you made a lots of mistake because when you speak, the time you don't follow the grammar. I mean, like tense. First of all, tense. Like you said when you giving your question, we made. If you say at the time we made a lots of mistake, so that would be correct question or sentences.
I say that I already. It's also happened with us. For that reason, I have to say past tense. But I say about present continuous tense, present tense. Okay, I got my problem.
Yeah. So just think that if I use present tense, that means it's a present.
Okay.
Sentence like present simple. It can be present simple tense. It can be present continuous tense. Perfect continuous tense. Okay, if it's present tense, then you make lots of present simple sentence, or you can make a complex sentence, but right now you just make a simple sentence right now because you are a beginner. Okay, so when you first your time, like when you have advanced or when you have a confidence, that time you source. If you go to advanced word or if you go to make a complex sentence or not, it's up to you. It's totally up to you. But firstly, you have to make a simple sentence. And all of you, I said all of you, guys, tense like you speak with tense. I mean, tense is kind of tense. Past tense is past tense, not present tense. So if I use past tense, the time we have to care like past simple tense and past continuous tense. For example, if I say Bengali like ami korechilam, I did. Ami bhul korechilam, ami অনেকগুলো ভুল করেছি. I made lots of mistakes. অনেকগুলো ভুল. So, or you can say plenty of instead of or in lieu of, like lots of, you can say plenty of. It's another word or phrase. So, and when you speak in English, like when you speak that time, you just made a mistake with just one thing, just simple word, like you are preparing for IELTS, am I right?
Yes.
So that's why when you spoke or when you speak in English, every time you don't use simple word. You have to focus on advanced word, like how to say it? For example, amazing. You can say incredible, neat and clean, or you can say speak and expand. So idioms. So you can use both of words. So if you use just simple word again and again, who are listening to you, they feel like bored because of you use the simple words, simple sentences. I'm not saying that you have to use advanced word all the time, not like that. But when you speak in English or when you make a sentence, oh, I have one word in my brain. If I use this time in my conversation, wow, that would be really interesting. So I use in my conversation. That time you just, wow, this was incredible, outstanding, mind-blowing. You have lots of adjective in your brain. You just read last night, but yesterday or the day before yesterday, right? Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
But you don't use in the present time. You forget again and again and again. But why? Because you don't use in your conversation. I know that everyone has lots of or plenty of vocabulary in your brain. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But you don't use. Why? I'm not saying that I have to speak fluently. I mean, how to say, speedy, not like that. Just think in English, take your time, think in English, and then use your simple word or a simple sentence or advanced word, okay? And then if you think, if you don't think that, oh my God, it's so like you don't have any word, I mean, you are just stuck, you can say, you know, or there is kind of filler word, and our teacher, I mean Shagatusan sir, already described the whole thing in his videos. Okay, so now just I'm saying that tense, vocabulary, and then pronunciation, okay, and then basically sentence sequence. Okay, it's very important. So thank you so much everyone. Now, Allah Hafiz.